Hello guys, welcome back to Watch Addiction Watch Reviews. Today we have a watch from AliExpress on their new US campaign sale, which will last through March and April. So if you're watching this video, I'll drop all the codes down in the description below. You can save a whole bunch of money. AliExpress is a business that sells a lot of wholesale items, a bunch of different watches for very, very good prices and very high quality watches as well. This is a brand I haven't reviewed yet called Thorn. It's a dive watch, and I think it has some very good specifications for the actual cost of the watch. First, we'll see what's on my wrist, and we'll dive right in, guys. And I will leave all the links down to AliExpress in the description below. We'll throw up the little thing on the screen right now. AliExpress, they also offer free shipping. If you sign up, you get free shipping as well. Free returns also. On my wrist is a Oceanica Sea Raven. This is a dive watch inspired by a US Navy submarine from World War II. A bunch of good specifications on sale for $219.99. Little ceramic bezel there, Miyota 9015. A nice Jubilee style bracelet. Now inside of this Pele style box, you will get the watch here in a blue dial variation. Very, very nice, as you can see here. There are a bunch of different variation dials. There are about 5 different colors you can get. And then you get your warranty card inside here, which is 3 years, which is pretty nice. Let me just get this out. Get the warranty card out. You can see here, you do get a 3-year warranty card. Now here's the watch in question itself. This is the Thorn Shy 042. Right now it's on sale for $156.47. But if you use the code, you can save a bunch of money and get it actually for $131, which is actually a really good deal. The watch itself is solid 316-ounce stainless steel all around here. Very, very, kind of seems a little Seiko-like in one of those models. But definitely a very nice watch. Feels nice little heft in hand. The watch itself is in a blue kind of gradient dial, as you can see here. It kind of gets darker towards the 6 o'clock position. Really, a really nice watch, I must say. Quite surprised by the price of this watch. It's really insane. You'd see something like this in more of like a $300 or $400 watch. The watch itself is 40 millimeters in terms of diameter here. 48 top to bottom or lug to lug. Looking at a case thickness of 13.6 millimeters there. We have 20 millimeters in between those lugs. Nice drilled lug holes also, which I do appreciate. The watch itself has a nice screw down signed crown. Oops, it's not signed. Sterile crown there, which is screwed down. Easy action there as well. You also do get a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating on the front side, and even a sapphire crystal on the back side with an exhibition case back of that NH35 movement. You do get a ceramic bezel as well, which is not loomed. The pip is loomed at the 12. And we get all applied markers going around the dial with those block style hands, which are fully loomed with BGW9. Very nice bezel action, very minimal back play. You can hear that, very audible clicks. Everything does line up to that 12 o'clock position there. Just click it once more, and everything does line up perfectly to that 12 o'clock position. The actual finishing on the case is brushed on the sides with chamfering going around the sides here. Nice little line of polishing. On the other side, you get the same over here. Drilled lug holes. Very easy to swap bands on this one. Comes on actually a really nice bracelet with polished center portions, and the brushed portions are on the outer part of the bracelet. We also do get a nice custom clasp with 2 buttons here. Opens up to a milled clasp. Just a sterile clasp, but you do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 micro adjustments. It is very articulating if you look at this. Really nice bracelet. Look at that, how articulating it is. Held in by pins. For this price point, I would expect that. Solid end links as well on the back side. Now this one does have the NH35. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the crown here. It's self-winding in the first position. We get a quick set date in white. Final position is hacking. Feels very good in hand, I must say. It's pretty sturdy, the crown there. Set the time there. Let me get this hand out of the way so you can see all the lettering. And you push this back down, screw it back in with ease. No issues there. No crown guards. Kind of like a vintage style, like some of the older Seikos. Getting a little closer on the dial, you can see the Thorn Marine Master automatic diver 200 meters. You can definitely take this one, shallow diving in a pool or in a beach. Great everyday watch as well. But yeah, other than that, that's some nice lume on. Look at that dial. Absolutely stunning, this dial. You can really get a nice look at it right now. Just really, really shine. All loomed up, you can see the BGW9 does shine pretty brightly on the hands and all the markers, and on the 12 o'clock pip there. Pretty good lume. I fit it on my 6.5-inch wrist. The watch fits really nice. It's not top heavy or anything like that. Bracelet is actually really comfortable. Has a nice heft to it as well. At 48 top to bottom, fits just perfectly. Very, very nice fit. And very easy to read, very legible at all angles. So furthermore, guys, there are a bunch of watches in this sale you can get. There's like hundreds of watches. The codes themselves, you spend $19, you get $3 off. You spend $39, you get $6 off. You spend $89, you get $13 off. You spend $149, you get $25 off on this one. You spend $259, you get $45 off. $349, you get $60 off. You spend $459, you get $70 off. You spend $600, you get 120 off. All that will be in the description below and at the beginning of the video also. So definitely take advantage of this deal. There are a bunch of sales going on right now on AliExpress. I think this is a great buy. I would definitely go for this one. There are a bunch of different cool colors. There's like a Bahamas blue color also, which is very nice. I really like this blue. No quality control issues. Shipping was pretty quick with SpeedX. That's to the US in about 5 to 6 business days. And always free returns, and you get a 3-year warranty on this watch. So what else can I say? Great little watch, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely like the video, share with your friends. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.